In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit System and Update, Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and finally Gboard. Now it's time to hit Text Correction and tap on gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. When your switcher is blue, go back. So now when I access my keyboard, I can see that Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!